boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a great song here from Jonas Brothers, and it's featuring Jon Bellion and Kirk Franklin. This song is called Waltz, and they made a live appearance on the SNL. Great song there, so check it out. Great live playing there as well. So let's look at this song. We are going clean here, so no need for any cape on this one. We have a couple chords to go over, very simple chords, so let's take a look at those chords. We have the A first, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord is a B minor, so that's a bar chord. You'll place the bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. That means 5 strings, all strings except for the last E in the bass. So that bar finger index on second fret, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We'll go to the G minor, and here we have to use a bar chord as well. So you place the bar on the 3rd fret. You're barring all strings here, and then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. And then finally we have the D. And that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so before we look at the chords and order of those chords, we have to learn the strumming pattern. So we will take a look at the strumming pattern, and it will be divided into 2 different parts because we need to split it between chords later. So the first part will be down, down, and that's it. So very easy. That I'm using the A now, since that is the first chord. And then the next part will be up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Like this. Okay, so down, down first, and then a pause, and then comes up, down, and a short pause, and then up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds of it goes like this. Alright, so that up, down, up was the part 2. So now we're ready for the verse. So you will play A, the first part, then you switch to B minor and play the second part, and then you go finally to G and play 1 full strumming round. So A part 1, B minor part 2, and then G 1 full round like this. That's 1 round. So a couple of rounds of the verses goes like this. Alright, so there you have the verse, and now finally the chorus play. We'll have and use the same strumming pattern now, a little bit different. We'll play 1 full round for D, then G, and then D. All right, and then you will play G part 1 and G minor part 2. So that is 1 chord progression. D 1 full round, G 1 full round, D 1 full round, then G part 1 and G minor part 2, like this. That is one round. A couple of rounds of it sounds like this. Alright guys, so there you have the chorus, and you have these two parts, the two tools to make this song. So yeah, Jonas Brothers, Walls, great song there. So give it a try. Until next time, play tuned.